Alright guys, we got a 2015 BMW 650i, finished in pearl white. Factory converters up there somewhere, one there, one there. Then it's true dualed all the way back into a mid resonator, right there. Then it true duals again, out the back. And what we did is a rear muffler delete there and right there. And as you guys can see, he had valves, they don't work, they had them zip tied open. And he wanted to keep the original look, so what we did is we just cut the mufflers off, and they usually come in single in, dual out into the tip. So we just connected to one side right there and kept the valve one open like he had it before, there and there, as you guys can see. Came out beautiful. And it kept the factory look like nothing's going on there. There's the factory tips out the back there and there. And there's the muffler that was on it. That's what I was talking about. It has a single in and dual outlet right there. That's where the two tips were. There and there. And that was the inlet on that. So there's the two mufflers that were on it, the pancakes. We took off. So as you guys can see, it looks like nothing happened, but it'll sound completely different. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe. Love the look of BMW, guys. Just have really slick, nice, clean design. Ooh. Much better. German engineering at its best, man. That sounds really nice. Sound decibels again. So it's right at 100. Give a guess. That's sick. There you go. Sound decibels. 150. That's perfect. Man, that sounds mean. Yeah. Why not? Oh, wow. Your sound decibels? Right at 107. Probably even louder than that. Again? Man, that sounds sick. Nothing crazy. Just a mean sound coming out of that car. I like it. I think my guy likes it. He keeps revving it. I love how they did the camera design on that. It's behind the emblem. So when you put it in reverse, the emblem goes up. And the camera gets revealed. Then when you put it back in the part, it closes back up. It's so sexy. Oh yeah, that sounds good, man. You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Yes, sir. Wow. You can hear that thing. It's the beast. And it's a converter. Again. There it is from the front. Oh, that looks so good. Look at that. Go ahead. They're quick, guys. Like really, really quick. Really nice. Let you guys hear on the inside. BMW 650i. Muffler delete. Enjoy, guys.